If your C drive is full like mine and you're looking to find out what's taking up your space, one software that you can use to identify what's taking up your drive space and clean it up is TreeSize, right? You can download that from Google. So here I have the TreeSize installed, a free software. So what you're going to do is select the directory, select the drive that is impacted, and here I need to run as administrator, so let's do that. And it will go and scan and organize and group the files and folders based on largest. I have about 25 gigabytes worth of files under my Windows directory, and these are some patch files. Now some of them can be cleaned up, some of them I best you leave them alone. Now to clean up some of the patch files, you can use patch cleaner. You can find it on Google. This is what I'm using to free up some of my space. So once you run the patch cleaner, it will go and analyze and identify files that you can save to delete. So if I delete, you'll see the list of files that can be cleaned up. It's basically gonna clean up some orphan files. And that's basically it. Don't forget to leave a like or comment on this video.